Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time. This is the December 2023 kit called All the Best. So let's have a look at what's in the kit. We have our instructions. There's 3 different cards. I make 3 of each. All of the instructions are in color, and there is also a plastic box that you can do a belly band for if you wanted to give the cards as a gift. These are really pretty cards, and I'm looking forward to making them and the alternatives. So we've got our stamp set that says, "Hello friend, 1,000 good luck wishes, wishing you all the best." And then there's some flower stems, dandelions, or smaller flower stems that you can use. We've got our double-sided tape, the Terran tape, Pebbled Path, Stampin' Spot. Oh, and we've got some really gorgeous little faceted dots, and our adhesive spot, their dots, and our dimensionals. And the colors in this kit are Balmy Blue, Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Pebbled Path, and Gold. So these are Balmy Blue adhesive dots. And we've got our envelopes. How pretty are those envelopes? Little dandelions on them. And these have got really pretty gold accents in them. That's 3 of the cards. Oops, there we go. And then there's these 3 cards, and look at the gold accents on those, just beautiful. And then this one with the frame of the dandelions on it. Ooh, we've got some gold accented dandelions. And then this is the acetate box with the belly band that you can put around it if you wanted to gift these. And there's all your die cuts. So really, I'm really looking forward to this kit. I like the idea of all the best being kind of New Year's cards, ringing in the new year with best wishes for people. So that is our December 2023 paper pumpkin kit, and stand by for those projects and alternate cards.